Want to turn your iPhone contacts into a personal CRM? Welcome to HowToLiterally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're diving into Contacts Journal CRM, a lightweight CRM made for Apple users who want to track relationships, not pipelines. First, download Contacts Journal CRM from the App Store. When you open it, it'll ask for permission to access your contacts. Allow it. This lets the app link directly to your existing contacts without duplication. Tap any contact, then add a note for meetings, a log for calls, a task to follow up. Everything is time-stamped so you can keep track over time. Use categories to group contacts like clients, leads, or friends. Use labels for custom tags like investor or follow-up. Check the map view to see contacts by location. Use filters to quickly find people by tags or recent activity. That's your quick start with Contacts Journal CRM. Great for solo users who want better contact memory without the clutter. Thank you for watching HowToLiterally, and see you in the next one.